If you are still using the older version of Google Analytics, that is Universal Analytics, and want to upgrade to Google Analytics 4, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade to Google Analytics 4 without making any changes on your website, and how to run both of these analytics in parallel with one another. And now, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel for more videos and tutorials. Now let's see how to upgrade to Google Analytics 4 from Universal Analytics. First of all, log in into your Google Analytics account, and once you are in your Analytics account, click on this admin button in the left bottom corner here, and here under property section, click on the link that is saying GA4 Setup Assistant. And here you can see that Google Analytics property is not connected for now, and once we will set up Google Analytics 4 property, then you will see that the status will be changed to connected. Now to create the new Google Analytics 4 property, click on this Get Started button here, and here Google will give you some information about the Google Analytics 4 property that we are going to create. First, Google is telling us that it will be a fairly new property and there will be no historical data in it, which means that in Google Analytics 4 property that we will set, there will be no data transferred from Universal Analytics to this new property. And the second thing that is mentioned here is that this new property will automatically copy some of the basic configuration from the Universal Analytics, like your time zone, country and currency, etc., from the Universal Analytics property, so that you don't have to set those settings again. And the third thing that it is telling us that enhanced measurement will be automatically enabled when we will create the Google Analytics 4 property. Now let's see how to create this new Google Analytics 4 property. First of all, if this option is enabled for you, simply check mark this option and click on this Create Property button here, and your Google Analytics 4 property will be created automatically and it will start getting the data from your website automatically. But if this option is not enabled for you, like in my case, then you will have to perform some additional steps that we are going to see now. Click on this Create Property button here. And now you can see that Google Analytics 4 property has been set and its status has been changed to connected from not connected. But as I have said, we have to perform some additional steps in order to capture the data from our website. So let's see what are those steps. Basically what we will have to do, we have to connect this newly created Google Analytics 4 property with our website. And for that we have two options. Let's see them. Click on CGF4 property button here. And here you can see that it is saying that it is a new GA4 property and our Universal Analytics property is unchanged, and we can access that property from here. Now let's see how to connect our newly created GA4 property to our website. For that, click on this Tag Installation button here, and from here select the stream that has been created automatically. Now here are two options to connect our GA4 property to our website. First option is that we copy this code from here and paste it in the header section of our website. But as I have said that we are not going to make any changes on our website, so I am not going to use this method. And the other method that we are going to use is to use existing on page tag that we have already added for our Universal Analytics property. So from here I will click on this Google Analytics link here, and here it is showing us steps to connect our Google Analytics 4 property to our website. Basically we are going to add a tag in our Universal Analytics account, and here are the steps to do that. First of all, we will need to go into our Universal Analytics property that is already opened in other tab, so I will open this tab, and from here click on this admin button here. And from here click on this tracking info link, and under tracking info click on tracking code. Now as we are going to add a tag, so I will click on this connected site tag so I can add the new tag of GA4. Now here we have to enter the ID of our Google Analytics 4 property. Now I will go to the other tab in which our GA4 property is open. From here I will copy this measurement ID of our GA4 and I will paste it here. I will give it a name like WP how no GA4 tag. and after that I will click on connect. And now you can see that our tag has been connected, so it means that now we will start getting data from our website to our newly created Google Analytics 4 property. So let's verify that. For that, let's go to our GA4 property, and from here let's select real-time tracking. Now I will open the website in a new tab so that we can start collecting data from our website. And we are on this website, and our Google Analytics 4 should have some data from our website, so let's see that. And if I scroll down a bit, here you can see that we have started getting data from our website. So this is how you can upgrade to Google Analytics 4 without making any changes on your website. Now if you have find this video useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos and tutorials. Thanks for watching.